Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to screen record on your iPhone 17. At first, you need to scroll down to the control panel, like this, from the top right corner to the middle one. And here, we don't have the control actually for the screen recording, so we have to add it. To do so, hold your finger in the background and tap Add a Control. Here we have screen recording. Tap that and tap in the background once again. Now if you tap the screen recording, you'll see that your screen is recording over here with this indicator. To stop the screen recording, tap this button over here. And now we are all done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.